The daily intraday review is proudly brought to you by our visual trade journal. It's software for price action traders. It's a visual trade journal, meaning you can drag and drop right on your chart, rate your outcomes, rate your predictions, all on the chart. It's different than anything that's out there. Come and check us out at intradayreview.com. Hello, this is the price action from yesterday. The EURUSD 3-minute chart, we had a spike and weak broad bull channel, and we did have a tiny reversal or breakout at the end of the night. Let's go up to the 15-minute chart to see how this formed. So we can see on the 15-minute chart last week we sort of we've retested the low at the end of the week, and then we've come up and we've touched again on the channel line. And we have started to reverse back down. This was a very, very strong bearish move. So we've had the break of the channel, retest of the low. The first attempt up is probably going to fail. So yesterday we're creating this downtrend here. We've had over 3 touches to it. We're expecting it to break out and maybe retest the low of this channel, which is what occurred last night. So we get our little bit of a spike, we break out of the channel, and then we get this sort of overshoot here, and it causes the 2 legs back. And you can see that it's quite weak already because the channel, the pullback is like nearly 90%. So bulls, bears making money, bulls, bears making money. So it's a very weak channel, probably going to end in a trading range, as Al Brooks would say, and it is a very rangy price action. We do get the double top at the end of the night, the bigger double top where it heads back down, but that's way after the London session. So all we got to play in was this weak sort of broad bull channel, sorry. We'll go back in and look at the trades for last night. So at the start of the night, it's quite hard to go long here, but we did have 3 bullish bars. So you may be thinking the first attempt down will probably fail, but we have had multiple touches, and we are sort of overshooting here multiple times, and that always bothers me. So I would be weary going long here, even though I'm expecting some sort of attempt at some sort of reversal here, some sort of attempt at a breakout or retest of the other channel side. Yeah, I probably wouldn't be trading until we've had this big overshoot over these highs, and we've sort of overshot a little bit there, and then we've had our 2 legs back. I'll be looking then to go get into this. And maybe this is going to channel. This spike is strong enough to cause a channel and gets a lower high. Maybe we're going to head up to touch the top of this channel, which we do. So maybe you jump in here. So it's a pretty boring start to the night. It's just very hard to trade this. You maybe can take this for a scalp once you see it fail to go up. So this could be a possible entry here. I'll just draw that on there. So we could take this for probably a scalp here, expecting that other leg back. So it's obviously failed to go up twice, and then it's you probably take it off the next bearish bar and expect another leg back. So this is just the measured leg of that there. But yeah, waiting on here and waiting to see you get that overshoot here of that micro channel, and then you get those bullish bars. A lot of times you'll come up and you start to channel. So here we channel, but then we create another smaller channel. So we sort of hit the edge of this channel, and then we start to channel smaller. But because of this strong move here, I love our second entry long at the EMA. So I'll be taking that trade when I get a bullish bar, and we get the same thing here. But now we've touched that channel, over three times. So we are expecting some kind of reversal here, and we get a double top, and we get sort of an overshoot. So going short there is probably not a bad trade, expecting to touch the bottom of the channel. We break out of the channel, and we head on down. Maybe you take this trade on that tick back, where it ticks back, and you're expecting that third push on this smaller channel, because now we're in that downward phase. You can take that, and the last trade of the night, if you were feeling like you needed this trade, it's just another overshoot of this channel, and we could take it back to the EMA. But that would be it for the night. Not that many trades. It's very rangy price action. Price is sort of weaving in and out of the EMA. It's 2 legs and then failing, 2 legs and then changing direction. Wedges are working well. They're failing, and things are heading down. Get another pushes here, and we're pushing back out again. 2 legs up, 2 legs down. It's just really rangy price action. But if you played it safe and you waited for your spots, there was a few trades in there.